Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can adjust touch gestures of your Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. So first you have to select your buds, then click on the touch controls, and here you can find tap, double tap, triple tap, touch and the hold, and also the call controls, double tap and the touch and the hold. So when you open, for example, touch and the hold, you can, for example, switch to the noise controls on the left and the right. We can deactivate the triple tap, for example, double tap, and on the single tap, as you can see, there's no function to customize. The same for the double and the triple. So you can only customize the touch and the hold function. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.